Good morning, Jakub.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Thank you.
Congratulations on being selected as the eminent person.
Thank you very much. It's an honor.
Okay. Jakub, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Jakub Tomasz Mróz. I'm a postgraduate student of University of Social Sciences and Humanities in Poland, in Warsaw. And my research interests are peer group dynamics, peer group relations, school bullying, and human morality. I'm leading the students team Olveus, which studies teachers' reactions to identity-based exclusions. And we are just at the beginning of this project. I'm also a researcher in a bullying and parenting team, where we have conducted a qualitative study about parents' perception of their child victimization process. And I'm also conducting Antigone project, where we are using IPA methodology to investigate perceived sources of moral identity. So yeah, that's my interests.
Okay. So Jakub, what was your motivation during COVID to carry out your research and participate in the conference?
I think the main goal of any scientist, any researcher is to understand better the whole world around us. So I think COVID can't be any excuse doing that. So yeah, that was my motivation, my main goal.
Okay, that's nice. So what is your opinion on attending an online conference rather than physical during the pandemic?
Oh, of course, there are pros and cons. From the one hand, you're able to meet a lot of interesting people from all over the world, not moving from your room. You can attend conferences in the distant places, not moving from your house. So yeah, but from the other hand, I really like personal contact. And then it's more about relationship with other researchers, not just data exchanging. So there are pros and cons.
Okay. So would you suggest or encourage your friends and colleagues to attend a conference online?
I would suggest try to do your best to be there in person, but if you can't, just do it online. It's better than doing nothing. Yeah. For example, I'm planning to be in London conference. So yeah, my goal is to be there in person.
Yeah.
I think it's important.
I know that. They've registered for London April conference, right? Yeah, and you will be coming with your friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I hope everything will be all right and we'll be able to go there in person.
Okay. Jakub, tell me some positive feedback about our conference.
I think your conference is great because, you know, it can be a really good way, some kind of platform to compare your findings with other researchers and to meet interesting people. So yeah, it's a great opportunity to present also your findings.
Okay, thank you so much. We are glad. And again, I would like to thank you for coming and attending our chat session.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure.
And we look forward to meet you in the summit as well.
Me too.
Thank you, Jakub, once again.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Same to you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.